All right, maybe that's working. Oh, hold on. Anywho, I gotta get this off here. I gotta hold on. Let me redo this. So, no video this week. I was out at a wedding. My niece got married. Congratulations, Ari and Alex. But I'm back here today. I gotta get this off the trailer. I got it mounted down, but I am sick and tired of crawling around on the ground every single time. I gotta take this off and put it on. So today, I'm gonna weld the nuts on the bottom so I don't have to do that anymore. Left that there from last time. This is, well, what the hell? Yeah, those ones work. You can tell my trailer's real square too. Alright, got that done. Got it all unbolted. Got her off the trailer, set over there. Hot dang, that thing's heavy. Now I just load up my bins, a few more things, some more tires, get rid of some more junk, and then head to the dump or do it another day. Took Veronica for a little rip. That was fun. Alright, now I'm gonna get this loaded up and then by golly, edit this video and I don't know, find something else to do. Stuff's heavy, man. Anyway, that's my system for getting this stuff, keeping this for a while. Anybody doing some 90s restoration? And I want some wheels. I got 4 of them. Oh, I'm just gonna hold them for a while until I got enough to go to a recycle yard. Probably don't want it now. I just dinged her. Man, I just want to work on that. Just want to work on it. Anyway, oh, I got more tires. Dang, I'm collecting a bunch of crap. Anywho, I'm gonna get to finish loading stuff up. Head to the old dump. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.